大家好 Welcome to Learn Mandarin Chinese in 5 minutes YouTube channel. Today we will be doing a conversation between Peter and Mary in a Chinese restaurant. Peter is giving Mary a treat in a famous Chinese restaurant that serves delicious marble tofu. Do you know why marble tofu, 麻婆豆腐, is called marble or 麻婆? Find out in this video. Let's get started.
听说这里是名店，
是吗？会不会贵呀？
贵也没关系。今天我请客，你别跟我客气。想吃什么就随便点。
你点吧，我什么都行。
那我点了。你有什么忌口吗？
不太能吃辣。
来个微辣的麻婆豆腐怎么样？这倒是这里的招牌菜。
好的，我超爱吃豆腐。
服务员，我要点菜。
请问您想点些什么？
来个麻婆豆腐，不要太辣。再来条蒸鱼、蒜炒豆苗和2碗白饭。
要点饮料吗？
玛丽，你要喝什么？
温开水就行了。
不喝别的吗？啤酒怎么样？
不了，我的酒量不好。
好吧。服务员，来杯温开水和一瓶 AA 啤酒。就先这些吧。
好的，谢谢。
彼得，你知道麻婆豆腐为何叫麻婆吗？麻婆是什么意思呢？
哦，你难倒我了。让我想想。我记得小明好像跟我说过麻婆豆腐的由来。
麻婆豆腐的由来，清代同治初年，在成都的一个万福桥头，有一间卖小吃的无名小店。小店的老板姓陈，大家都叫他陈大嫂。他煮的菜，尤其是豆腐，很好吃，也很经济实惠，因此招来不少顾客。陈大嫂脸上有几颗麻子，人人因此都称她为陈麻婆。她煮的豆腐又麻又辣又香，独具风味，生意越做越兴隆，远近闻名。顾客为了区别陈大嫂的豆腐和其他店的豆腐，便改名为麻婆豆腐。
原来是这样。如果他脸上没有麻子的话，世上就没有麻婆豆腐这道菜了。
还是会有的，就是不会叫麻婆豆腐，或许会叫玛丽豆腐。哈哈哈！
你别逗我了。
菜来了，我们开动吧。
好的，看来很好吃。
吃饱了吗？不够的话，还可以再点。
够了，我肚子都快撑破了。
听小明说，这附近有家卖甜点很好吃的地方，但你大概不想吃了吧？
谁说的？甜食是装在另一个胃里的。谢谢你请我吃这么好吃的饭，甜点我请。
别客气。
注释 Notes 请客的相似词 Similar words for treat 请客请客 treat someone 请吃饭请吃饭 treat someone to a meal 做东做东 play the host 搓一顿搓一顿 treat someone to a meal, a colloquial expression. 客套话客套话 refers to polite expressions used in social interactions to show respect and consideration. They are considered as standard courtesy phrases that people use to be polite and well mannered. 客套话 is an important part of Chinese culture, and using them appropriately is a sign of good manners and to avoid sounding overly formal. Examples of some 客套话 you can use when someone treats you to a meal. 今天让你破费了. Used when someone treats you or pays for something on your behalf. 大家自己人，不要客气。We are close friends. Don't stand on ceremony. 别替我省钱，随便点。Order whatever you like. Don't worry about cost. Now let us take a look at the various ways you can use the Chinese word 点. Number one, using 点 as a time reference, which means o'clock. 我6点来接你下班. I'll come to pick you up from work at 6 o'clock. Using 点 to mean a little. 咖啡里放了一点牛奶. A bit of milk is added into the coffee. Using 点 to mean point or dot. 布上有黑色的点. There are black spots on the cloth. Using 点 to mean order or select. 我们点了蔬菜. We ordered vegetables. Using 点 as a measurement word. 她给我一点建议. She gave me an advice. 开动. 开动 is a Chinese verb that translates to start or set in motion in English. There are two ways of using this phrase 开动. Firstly is to start an engine. 车开动前先检查电池. Before starting the car, first check the battery. You can also use 开动 before one partake his or her food. You can say 饭做好了，我们开动吧. The food is ready. Let's start eating. 或许in Chinese means perhaps or maybe in English. It is used to express uncertainty or possibility. For example, 明天或许要加班. Perhaps we have to work overtime tomorrow. Let us now learn some similar words for 或许. Instead of 或许, you can also use 也许、可能、大概、恐怕. We can say 明天也许要加班，明天可能要加班，明天大概要加班 or 明天恐怕要加班。还是会有的，还是会有的 is a Chinese phrase that translates to there will still be or there will continue to be in English. It is used to express the idea that something will persist or exist in the future despite certain circumstances or changes. Sentence example: 经济不景气是难免的，但是复苏的机会还是会有的。An economic downturn is unavoidable, but there will still be opportunities for recovery. 希望你们喜欢今天的视频，我们下星期见。